calling on our PLDT Home Ultera Ultra Fast Hitters. Let's start off with jersey number 1, Ruby De Leon. At number 3, team captain, Suzanne Roses. Wearing jersey number 5, Gretchen Soltones. At number 6, Elijah Daphne Santiago. At number 14, Maria Rosario Charo Soriano. And at number 2, Alyssa Valdez. Libero, number 7, Leslie Ann Gata Pantone. Head coach, Mr. Roger Gorayev.
Roger Gorayev looks like a proud father. This afternoon live here on GMA News TV. First touch of the ball, first Valdez attacks.
Alam nyo na kung bakit kaya kalakas ang sigawan. Alyssa Valdez on the first point. First blood ang PLDT.
It might seem like popular na popular in PLDT. You have to understand about Cagayan. These are some very proud veterans. They don't want to lose.
Yeah.
Shakey's, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be one place alone, and that's Shakey's. Ruby with that kick. Oh, boy!
At ang PLDT Home Ultera.
Valdez already with the first 2 points and a block, and it's already dead in the water as Alyssa and friends celebrate.
And alam mo, partner, itong Team PLDT, wala pang natatalo kahit isang set so far.
Okay, that's good to know. In the meantime, the drop. Sue Roses is there. Some of the best volleyball players of this country are in this game. Bang Pineda keeps it in play. The attack, Marciano is long.
Oh, Marciano long on that attack.
The cut crosses in many directions. In the meantime, Ate Charo, as the Ateneo players like to call her, with a misfired shot here. Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's V-League. Soltones is there. This is like an all-star game, actually.
Yes, definitely.
Marciano's serve. Oh, Jaja shot missed.
Adong sharp, so it went into the net. Pero nakita mo, pinormahan niya, iniwas niya sa blockers.
Alam mo, earlier I had a chance to briefly chat with Den Lazaro. This one is in. Nakatulog si Soltones.
Around, siguro sa buong Pilipinas, ma-consider natin. And alam naman ni Den, darating din siya doon.
Soltones keeps it alive with one punch. This crowd is screaming. Sayed, Juantillas, nice thing in the other direction. Baldo gets to it. The reverse. Sue Roses, it's in up in the air. Sayed with a recycle. The strike by Tabaquero.
Still on the line.
Of course, if you've forgotten Pantone's first name, kami nagulat nung bagong name na ginagamit niya. Of course, Gata is her...
Leslie Ann Gata siya nung siya nasa Adam.
You're gonna hear my plug when Alyssa scores, but don't forget, and don't miss the biggest fight of the century as Pacquiao and Mayweather battle for greatness on May 3. With PLDT Home Ultera. You can watch it streamed live. Subscribe to any Ultra plan until April 24. 7-5 as Alyssa Valdez stays there.
Oh, another sharp serve and same result. Back-to-back points from Alyssa Valdez on the serve.
And Alyssa...
Hindi mahalaga para sa kanila ang malinis na record. Sa panig naman ng Cagayan Valley, ani Coach Ernesto Pamilar, and their training, they focus on their first...
The strengths and weaknesses of each side, Mosi.
Mabigat talaga itong larong to. And I'm sure nag-aral yung mga coaches natin. Hindi nakatulog yung kagabi at pinag-aral.
Nice reverse dink by Chi Sayed. Caught the defense of PLDT napping. They go the other way to Sue Roses. Bang Pineda kept it in play. The dink by Soriano. Uh-oh. Soltones whips it down. Sayed. Tabaquero. Soltones. This may take a while. Sue. Sayed. Soriano punches it through. May kasama bang tingin? Patrol crew. They will conduct a free volleyball clinic and there will be an exciting exhibition game for the young aspiring players. Be sure to join this once-in-a-lifetime fun-filled family event. Follow at PLDT Home Go on Facebook. Valdez.
Oh, beautiful play right there. Coming from PLDT. Back row attack. Ang ganda nun. You did not see that coming.
And this is what Alyssa has perfected over the last 3 years. Rada Patinayan now also with the veteran setter in Ruby De Leon. Regalo.
Cannot give that
Ano naman yung toasted? 10-8 lamang ng dalawa ang PLDT. Sayat with the set. Pao Soriano's attempt kept in play by Alyssa in the back row. Soltones off speed. Jajak senses a regalo. It's in the air. Nes Familiar, boys operating his team along the sideline. Ruby gives it a quick.
And perfect timing on that quick hit.
Oh, yes indeed. This ultra-fast spike brought to you by PLDT Hope.
Jaja Santiago.
Talang iha. Siyempre, ate na niya si Ruby, no? Tabakero is caught. Down in the water it goes. And it is...
Because sa Cagayan, you have to remember, ang core ng team na to since 2011 pa.
Yes.
Magkakasama. So, alam mong tight sila if they're not moving well inside the court. Dapat basang-basa na nila ang isa't isa.
Have been there seemingly forever. Tabakero, they're not giving up on Anguier. Yes. Nice set. Nag-alangan. Antonia is there. Aren't you glad she's your libero? Bang!
That is true for first ball.
Nag-uusapan ba yan on how to do it?
Oh, it's innate.
Innate na lang. Innate na lang.
Natural.
Natural na lang. Kasi yung mga lalaki hindi alam gagawin after a point. That is too strong. And Pontillas hits it astray. 59, PLDT setting the pace since the technical timeout as Jaja with the serve. Malakas.
Oh, that's going to be a long one.
This has been the chink in their armor.
Yes.
Huh?
Lalo si Jaja, yung inconsistency pa niya sa serves niya.
To control it.
Yep.
Suzanne. Oh, tough set. Roger Gareb hoping for a whistle, non-com. Coming. Nice dink over. Pinaluan kayo ni Marciano. Set up job na from the middle. Soltones alanganin, but it will still score.
That's right. Medyo nakagulo pa nga doon. Sinasabi ni Ruby De Leon, 3 daw. So,
yung dance steps ni Soltones, nagka-windang-windang. We will take a short break and be back with your game this afternoon. This afternoon on GMA News TV. It's currently 16-10 in the first set. Sacramento, Mosi Ravena, and Cristel Bachelor. And in the meantime, a simple dink does not result in a point. It's taken away, though, by Cagayan.
Also, back points na rin at 2 service points.
Chisayat with that whip of a serve. Set up job. Tinago si Alyssa Valdez. It's in play still. Free ball. Pantone.
Oh, and it's going to be a violation. So, point goes to PLDT. Ruby.
11 as Ruby De Leon sets the serve. In the corner to Tabakero. Looked long. Oh, nicely done. But there's
an infraction at the side of PLDT.
Yep.
So,
net touch him all afternoon.
Gwyneth
Eulalia
gets an ace.
Ang layo ni Pantone. He rarely will.
Cagayan has 7 dig points, while PLDT having 4. It's excellent digs.
Tinago na naman si Alyssa.
Tama. So, kumagat yung tatlong blockers nang galing sa Cagayan and Alyssa Valdez getting that point.
And this is that facet of her game that has been sharp. So much experience playing for the Lady Eagles and for Roger Correa Benta.
Well, yung mga fans lalo, gusto nila mahaba.
Oo.
Kahit 3-setter, 4-setter, basta mahaba yung laro.
Parang gusto nila makita more of their favorites. The dink does not work.
A free ball given to PLDT.
Tinago naman si Suzanne on a cross court.
And si Zane Roses. Ito yung dalawang sumuporta kay Eliza in their Jaja Santiago. Each with 10 points in their last game.
And one of the Shakey's V-League all-time favorites, Joy Benito, is on the floor. Her changing moods, matching her changing hairs. style. And the dink, the power tip by Jaja. Okay, so not enough. 15-20. Can't blame me, Mosey. I will try.
Yes.
Oh!
Ay, Eliza Valdez. Medyo dumadami na yung errors dito sa services ng
Time. Giselle C, of course, the alternate setter from the findings of Nes Familiar in his search in the Panalong Pambansa. In the meantime, that's long.
Right, busy. Jaja wasn't in the best position to take that quick hit.
Hindi naka-wind up tuloy. Roger Gorayab wants to win convincingly, but his players struggling to hold on to that lead. Here's the setup job for Soltones. Power. One more time, up in the air. They go to Sue Roses. Benito, C, the other direction. Tabaquero, foil. Tabaquero returns the favor. It's in the air. Soltones unloads.
Oh, it goes down the line and gets it.
PLDT home Ultera in the lead. There's the tireless, ageless veteran Suzanne Roses. That shot is out. It'll go to Cagayan, who started on their own college teams. In the meantime, let's work with Pao Soriano, my favorite ice queen. Nice play. Combination. Clyde Soltones. Watch the play again.
Look at that. Nag-cross, di ba? Nag-cross ang landang. Nabasa naman nung
naman.
blockers ng Cagayan.
Kaso pinilian na Eskinita.
May space lang.
Sa kabilang panig tayo, Soltones, mainit ang kamay. And Valdez ends up sprawled on the floor. She's disappointed, not with the fact she ended up contorted, but the fact she couldn't keep the ball up in the air. Valdez is still in the back row. Ganda mag-iabot talaga ni Pantone, no?
Oh, Eliza Valdez with flight like an eagle.
The key there is the way Pantone gave the ball first to Ruby.
That is so true.
This one we're familiar with. But we're not giving enough credit to the way the ball is given to the setter. Ang hirap gawin yan on a disciplined basis. Palo yun. Free ball.
Oh! And a miscommunication on the side of Cagayan.
It was close, but boy, she didn't join the warm-up.
Oh.
Nicely done, Marciano. She can throw an axe at
Win the set.
They need 5 clean points, at least 4. All this side needs is 1.
And that was it. PLDT winning the first set.
So neatly done. Sans excitement. So masterfully done. Look at Soltones and her smile. Here's a shake and play. Yeah, abot ko sa iyo ang piece mo ng Shakey's Pizza. Hati tayo sa matitira, ha? Ito na. Magbabalik po ang Shakey's Billy.